Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video. So in today's video, like I promised, here are the list of 15 top user testing platforms or user testing websites. So I made a video some days ago talking about some platforms, and I actually told you guys to comment testing in the comment section if you want me to give you a list of different user testing platforms that help you test out websites, apps, box, and different things, and you actually get paid. And some people say, okay, they want it. Today in this particular video, I'm going to give you 15 different platforms that I have personally gathered, and these platforms can help you do different tasks and you actually get rewarded for your effort. See me for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. I talk about different side hustles and I also give side hustle ideas. One more update from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and make sure you hit on that subscribe button to get notified whenever I drop a video. And feel free to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. I really appreciate if you can do that. Mind you guys, this is actually not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These websites are based on my personal preferences. You might not like them, they might not work in your location. It's absolutely no guarantee that after watching this video that you're going to earn money from this site. So it's actually based on what you like, based on your location, and based on the kind of service you're willing to render. So the first platform that I want to talk about today that is actually on my list is called Optimal Workshop. So this is how their website actually looks like. So you can see they say optimal, and you can see here they say build optimal products like Netflix. Say build products users love. You can see Netflix, Nike, you can see Toyota, Apple. So you can see surveys, prototype testing. So these are some of the things you do here. Just come here and go through it. It's called optimalworkshop.com. So the second platform right here is called Maze. You can call it Maze.design. Don't choose between build fast and build right. So if I zoom in right, you can see they say Maze is the user research platform that makes users insights available at the speed of product development. You can see right here. So if I go ahead and scroll down, you can see right here that Maze is also a user testing platform that you come down here and test out different products before they are being launched, and you actually get paid for your services, you get paid for your effort. So do well to come down here and check it out if you're actually interested and if this also works in your location. Loop11.com. They have a tax-based usability right here. They can come down here and complete different kind of tax and also get paid, and they can pay you based on the type of tax you actually complete. So let's move on. And the next platform right here is called playtestcloud.com. You test out mobile games, you test out apps for usability and for fun. They pay around $9 per 15-minute test, which is like an average of $9 per 15-minute test. And I think this is actually good for gamers. If you like playing games, I think this is a very good opportunity for you to test out different games. The next platform on my list today is called validately.com. This one actually includes live moderated interviews right here, and they actually pay you here based on the test session. So maybe the longer the session, the more you can actually get paid, or the more complex the session right here, the more you can actually get paid. Usabilityhub.com. So right here they test out designs and preference through surveys and simple tasks, and you actually get paid. Now the next platform right here is called utest.com, and I made a video about this particular platform some days ago. I signed up my account. The thing is that I'm still waiting for them to invite me for a job, but I've not seen an invite yet, so I really don't know why. Well, the next platform on my list right here is called enrollapp.com. Tasks can pay you from 0.10 cents each, right? So that might not seem like much, but if you actually like it, if you like testing apps and websites, you can try out this enroll.com. The next platform on my list today is called Testing Time. I've talked about testing time. I think this is the second time or the third time. They test through usability sessions, like through videos, through Zoom calls, and through Skype calls. €10 to €50, right? For depending on the test you're doing, depending on the session and how long the session actually takes. So you can actually check out testing time. The next one right here is called testbird.com. So this is a crowd testing for websites and apps. You test out box. First of all, you need to know that they require your sign up and approval. So even if you sign up, they have to approve you before you get started. And secondly, their payment right here actually varies. So they pay you based on the tax and based on the test. So the next platform right here is called perfection. This is actually very funny. Instead of perfection, they call it perfection. Perfection.com. So what actually happens is that you provide feedback, written feedback or surveys based on their digital products and so on, and they actually pay they pay you from €5 to €40 per test, depending on complexity. The next platform right here on my list is called userfeel.com. Userfeel.com. Test out websites and apps. They pay you around $10 to $20 per test right here on Userfeel. They require microphone because you're going to be doing a lot of audio work, you know. The next platform right here on my list is called trymatter.com. Trymatter.com, or you can call it Try My UI. They still call it Try My UI. This one right here offers remote usability. You can work from home with it from anywhere, and they pay from $5 to $30 per test. And you also do simple tasks on their website right here for you to earn some money for yourself. Now the next platform right here is called userlytics.com. Userlytics.com. They offer different tasks like unmoderated and moderated tests on apps, prototypes, and ads. So they can pay you from like $5 to $90 per test, depending on the complexity of the test right here. And the top on my list right here is called usertesting.com. Usertesting.com. I think I've talked about this. Record your thoughts while navigating a website, app, live session on user testing. It's a craft experience that win hearts and market. You can see the human insight engine for enterprises, the world's strongest global participant network, and AI-driven engine built for enterprises. I've talked about this before. You can come here and check this out. Improve experience across your businesses. You can actually check this out. If you like this one, you can try it. Remember, I told you that you can actually try those websites if you actually like them and if they work out for you based on your location. And some of them actually require some skill sets. Some of them don't require any skill set. If you have some skill set to offer, well, when they ask you, you can actually answer. And some of them is actually based on invitation. So some of them, if they don't invite you, I don't think you can access them. Some of them you can actually access them without invitation. Some they have to invite you before you can access them. You have to choose the ones that actually work out in your location. So you can do all these small simple tasks and you actually get paid. Now, if you want to see me when I sign up on these platforms and try them out, do well to follow me on cirrden.com/solidpicturestv, cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. Right there, I drop tutorials about different platforms and different methods that I have personally used. If you want to see, join me on cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. So tell me what you think about this list. Have you used any of these platforms? Have you used any of them? Have they worked out for you? Is this your first time seeing these platforms? I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.